what is a percolation test and how do we carry one out? Well, again, it's a little bit different from a wastewater. A wastewater percolation is a bit more complicated, but a percolation test is really exactly what it sounds like. It's a way to measure the soil that you have and how well it will drain away and whether it's suitable for a soakaway or whether you're going to need an attenuation tank. So it is a percolation test to test the percolation of your soil. So there are a few different steps because they tend to be a bit different from, it's bigger volumes usually as well, and also it's like rain events and things. You have to design your trial pits a bit differently. So the method of the test is you dig a trial trench, basically. It's not even a pit, somewhere between 1 and 3 meters long, somewhere between 1 meter and half a meter wide, and record the exact area and dimensions of your pit. You need to square the sides, and you should dig it down as deep as where you expect the base of your tank to be. So when you've recorded this size, basically you should fill your pit up to the top level of where you would think the tank is going to stop, and you time the water as it goes away. So you time it, how long it takes for 25% to disappear, how long it takes for 75% of your water to disappear, and then how long it takes to empty. And you should do this 3 times just to get consistent results. And you basically take the average of these 3 results. Now, if your tank is going to be longer than 10 metres, because soils can vary, you get pockets of sandy soil, you get pockets of clay soil. If your tank is going to be longer than 10 metres, you should repeat this process kind of further down where you expect your tank to land, like every kind of 10 metres, and get consistent infiltration rates. Because again, if it infiltrates fine at one end but not at the other, a soakaway isn't suitable for you. So you need to repeat this process further down. And when you've got these values, there's a bit of a calculation. If you send them to graph, we can work it out for you if you record these 25%, 75% and your trial pit area. But the way to do it is you work out the volume that would be in your space when there's 75%. You work out the volume that would be in your space when there's 25%. And then you take the average of your 3 timings that we said, and you take the time it took for 25% of the water to disappear away from the time it took for 75% of the water to disappear, and this is your kind of median value. And then you have to work out the area, the drainage, the soakaway area as well. So that's basically the base of your tank, and then 50% of the sides of your tank, 50% of the height of your sides of the tank is seen as the drainage area. And you do a calculation. It's the volume at the top, and then your surface area times your time that it took to go away, and divide them. It's a bit complex, but we can send you documents to do it. It's actually not that complex when you have the documents and you have the values. The most important thing is to get the testing right, record your trial pit accurately, do the 3 tests and record your times accurately, and then someone qualified can help you with the rest, basically.